Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Anuja. So what we are going to cover as a part of the video, we are going to take a look at how email templates can be created and what are the lightning email templates and how you can create those in Salesforce. So let's first understand what are email templates. So email templates are predefined templates. Suppose as a business, you would want a certain predefined templates to be available for the selection by the end user. So in that case, these email templates can be configured, and instead of the user is writing the email from the scratch, they can select a predefined email template. So how do you define these email templates? The process is simple. So first you will need to navigate to the app launcher, click on the app launcher and search for the email template. Click on email templates and now you will see an option to create a new email template. Here is the new email template button. So before we create a new email template in Salesforce, first we will have to create a folder in which the email template will reside. So remember, the sharing of the email template is governed by the folder in which it is residing. So right now, I cannot see any button for creating other email template folder because it needs to be enabled from the setup. So just quickly navigate to the setup and the quick find box. Please type in lightning email and click on the lightning email template. And by clicking this button, you can enable the setting. You can enable the folders and enhance sharing. And if I return to the previous screen, I just refresh, and now you can see here new folder button. So click on the new folder button. So what we are doing is, let's suppose a business has requested us to create an email template for the following up with the customers. So we need to define a follow-up email template so that when the user, the sales representative, etc., wants to follow with the customer, so they don't have to write the email from the scratch. Not only it's saving the time, it also a way for the business to ensure that there is a standardization, there is a consistency in terms of email communication. So first we will define the folder name. So the folder name would be test sales email template, and the folder's unique name would be auto populated, and just click save. And now for the sharing setting, if you click on the drop down and click on share, so the same sharing setting we can define as we use for the reports and dashboards. So for example, if you want to share this email template with the Aarti Singh, so I will select her name and define the access. There are three type of access: view access, edit access, and manage access. So I am just giving her the edit access and click done. So now after creating the email template folder and defining the sharing, now let's take a look at how you can create an email template in Salesforce. So we will build on the same use case wherein the business has requested you to define an email template so that you can automatically follow up with the customer. For creating the new email template, click on the new email template, and And now we will add the email template name as the test follow-up. And in the related entity type, I will talk about it later in my upcoming part of this video. So and in the description, you can write this email template will be used to follow up with the XYZ's customers. You can select the folder. So I will select the folder I just created, sales email template, and click on the select folder. So folder is selected, and in the subject, is the same, test follow-up. And now let's define the body of email templates. So right now, since we do not have a lot of time, so I will quickly use the pre-written email template text here. I have just already copied and I will paste here. Okay, so I just pasted the text. So now, since this is an email template, and since you want to reduce the time of the user in creating the email from scratch, so there are other things that you can do on the email template. For example, after dear, if you would want the system to automatically populate the recipient name, the name of the person to which you are sending this email, so what you can do is, we have this option, insert merge field. So after here, just place the cursor and click on the insert merge field, and you can define the full name. So search for full name, click on the full name and click insert. And the same you can do with the sender's name. Just place the cursor after regard and click on the insert merge field and click on sender and search for full name. Select the full name and click insert. So now this is the body of your email. The system will automatically fetch the recipient name from the lead records, from the contact record from which you are sending this email, and similarly sender's detail would also be populated on the leads or contact records. So just click on save. And that's how you can create an email template in Salesforce. I hope this walkthrough was helpful and gave you the confidence to design the professional and effective email templates. In my upcoming video, I will cover how to create a letterhead, and I will test my email templates. So if you have any questions or suggestions, just feel free to drop them in the comment below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Salesforce tips and tutorials. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you.